Hello guys, welcome back to Techie Revealer. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your Android phone in case you've forgotten your phone PIN or password. And at the end of the day, you'll be able to unlock your phone without losing any of your phone data. Now this is not phone formatting, so you don't need to format your phone, and with that you won't lose any of your phone data. Before I get into the video, I want to put up this disclaimer notice. This video is strictly for educational purpose and is not meant for any misuse. It is strictly for people that have forgotten their Android phone PIN lock and want to unlock their phone without losing any of their data. Also, before we start the video, make sure you watch every steps in this video and follow every step. Don't skip any step, because if you skip any step in the video, you won't be able to get the result at the end of the day. Let's get started, guys. In your Android phone, go to the PIN section. Look below or in some phone at the top, you'll see emergency call or emergency center. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, dial this code I'll give to you, *489 421 000 *23 49 091. Confirm what you just typed that is correct. Press hash at the end and tap on the dial icon. So you can see can't call, only emergency services or personal number can be dialed using this method. So get out of the emergency section, and here you go back to your PIN environment. Put in this PIN 0491 and press OK. So depending on the kind of phone you're using, you may get incorrect PIN or wrong PIN, but the message you will get is that the PIN is incorrect or wrong. After doing that, wait for 30 seconds before you proceed to the next steps. So be sure you wait minimum 30 seconds. While you're waiting, be sure to support the video with a like, and also in case you've not subscribed to the channel or this is your first time visiting Techie Revealer, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video like this. And also go through the video list to check out videos that may help you in your day-to-day tech live activity. So if you waited minimum 30 seconds, let's proceed to the next steps. And the next step is to go back to the emergency call area. Tap on emergency call here and dial *98 21 00 49 2465 *04 6 0002. Tap on hash. Then before you dial, make sure you scan through what you just typed, so be sure it's correct, and you press the send. So you're gonna see this message. Wait for 30 seconds before you move to the next step. So the reason why you're waiting for 30 seconds, minimum 30 seconds, is for the code you just dialed to be applied to the phone. So after that, we now impute a PIN that will unlock our phone. So before that, guys, this is for 4-digit PIN. And in case you are looking for alphanumeric or pattern lock, go through the unlock playlist in my channel and you'll see other videos for alphanumeric and pattern lock. So if you are sure you've waited minimum 30 seconds, go to the PIN environment, impute this PIN 0492. Okay. So wait for 30 seconds before we input the final PIN that will unlock the phone. So I'm going to count my timer to be sure it's minimum 30 seconds. Okay guys, as a reminder, in case you've not liked the video, please hit the like button, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos, because I drop videos that help you in your day-to-day tech life. So my timer is up to 30 seconds now. So let's impute the PIN that will finally unlock our phone. type 0493. Now press enter or OK depending on what you have in your phone. So as you can see, I've unlocked the phone, and if you go here, you see that I have applications that was already installed in the phone. I did not, no application or no information, no video, no images or files were deleted from the phone. Everything remained intact. So be sure you follow the steps step by step as I've outlined, and it will work for you. Now let me know in the comment section in case you have any issue. Also, in case you have a special device, drop it in the comment section. You have a special device that I should provide solution for you, drop it in the comment section. So if in case you want to change your password to anything or any other lock type, go to settings, scroll down. In most Android phone, the same method applies. Select security and privacy. So under security and privacy, look out for lock screen or lock phone, depending on the kind of phone you're using. Select lock screen here. So here you're going to put in the pin we just used to unlock our phone. So we can set our own pin. Put in 0493. Press on OK or continue. So here you can see we are using the pin. So pin has medium high security. So I will always recommend that you use password for your lock type. So if in case you want to change it from pin to password, tap on password here. Now you can see password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. While in some phone, it must contain at least 6 characters, including at least 1 letter. So go ahead and change your password. I can see unlock. Okay, I'm gonna type in this icon so you can see what I type. Unlock 2026. Okay, confirm again. Unlock 2026. So press OK. Now, why password? Let's enter into the environment again. Why password is very secure is because someone cannot easily grab what you type, unlike pin. Let's say you're using 0493, someone can easily grab what you input, but password you can use case sensitivity like the lower case and the upper case. So with that, someone looking at you when you're typing your password will find it difficult to easily grab what you just typed. So guys, that's how to unlock your phone and also reset your password. Please support the video with a like, and also in case you've not subscribed, be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.